Hey, money magnets, you should drop Navy Federal for $50,000 limits at this credit union.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Guys, I want to know if you really think they can beat Navy Federal. Look, drop in the comments. We're going to give you a review today on the Christian Community Credit Union, and I want y'all to get excited about this.
Okay, Marvin, I'm interested. Let's dive right into it. So, the first product is the Cash Reward Visa card. Now, with this card, this right here just really blows my mind because you don't have to spend a lot to reap some of the benefits of this card. Okay. So you get $200 cash back when you spend $750 in the first 3 months.
That's pretty good.
That's really good. That's a cash flow changer, money magnets. Also, with this card, 0% APR or on balance transfers for the first 6 months of having this card.
Right.
So if you have a card that has high balances, this would be a good opportunity for you to get an extra 6 months, okay, on 0% interest. Now, this particular credit union also donates to Christian charities, which
and missions.
and that's really important because money magnets, that's how you scale. It's all about giving back to your community, and that's what nonprofits are all about. Now, also with this card, it doesn't have an annual fee.
Right.
So that right there can most definitely change your pockets. But let's see what other cards they have available.
All right, Glory. They have the Give to Missions rewards cards. Let's dive into this one. All right, Glory. The great thing about this card is you get 20,000 bonus points when you approve. You also get 1 reward point for every dollar you spend. You get 2 reward points for every dollar that's donated. It's no annual fee, like you said earlier about the other card, and it's 0% for 12 months. So if you got a high interest card that you've been paying interest on and you want to get 0% for 12 months, this is a great time to do a balance transfer.
Marvin, I'm still stuck on the 20,000 points.
Yeah.
As soon as you get approved, you automatically get those points. There's no extra spending.
Right.
I'm still stuck on that, money magnets. But let's dive over to the next card.
Okay.
Now, this card is the MAF card. Now, this card has a lot of similar benefits to the same card that Marvin just spoke about, which is you get 1 times the points for every dollar that you spend. And you also get those 20,000 points again when you get approved. So that right there, I'm still stuck on that because I like that. I don't have to spend anything and get points. Money magnets, I'm all about the points.
Right.
And you get 2 times the points for every dollar that you donate. That right there is absolutely amazing. These cards have 0 annual fee, so you don't have to worry about, paying a fee to hold the card in your wallet because that right there sends you in the negative automatically, especially if the reward points are not amazing, okay?
Right.
You get 0% interest for 12 months. So if you have a high interest card, go ahead and do that balance transfer. It's gonna benefit you in the long run. And I love the fact that it donates to nonprofits and missions. So, Marvin, let's see what other cards that this particular credit union has.
All right, let's go into the next one. All right, guys, let's talk about the International Missions Visa card.
Okay.
You can earn 20,000 points like the other cards. You get 0% for 12 months, 1 point for every dollar you spend, 2 points for every dollar donated. Now, they donate internationally, and they've donated $195,000 to date. That's great.
Ooh.
And then you get cash back as you use this card. I love cards like this, like Gloria said. But look, we've noticed that the limits are being approved at about $20,000.
Right.
But let's dive into those $50,000 limits. Let's tell them about the next product, Gloria.
Okay, let's dive into the personal loans. That's what I like to see. I like to see big boy amounts. So let's look at what they are offering. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the My Advantage personal loan.
Yeah.
Now, this particular loan goes from 10,000 all the way to 50,000, Marvin. And
Nice.
I like those big boy limits, okay?
Right.
Now, the interest rate on this loan is pretty fair. It's about 8.99%.
Yeah.
One thing that I do love about their loans, Marvin, is 60 months, as well as there's no origination fee. There's no prepayment penalties. That right there can be a cash flow changer for you, as well as you can get approved in as little as 90 seconds. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, not a long wait. Also, they got the personal line of credit. With this, remember, guys, you can use it, pay it off. You don't have to apply again. And you can get pre-approved. That's what I thought was great. You can actually see if you can get it before you have to take that hard inquiry. And guess what? When you join, they pull Experian. and that inquiry lasts for 30 days.
So that means you can get multiple products
Yes.
with that one pool, as well as you can get, okay, so money magnets, let me tell you, hold up, Marvin, let me back up.
Okay.
Because when we say you can get pre-approved, you can get pre-approved before you even join the credit union.
Yeah.
So that right there, cash flow changer.
Look, and if you guys need money for your business up to $250,000, make sure you get a free business strategy call with Gloria and I. Look at our contact information in the description below.
And don't forget to like and share this video because another money magnet may be able to use it. But let's dive into some more products that this credit union has to offer.
All right, let's do it.
Now, listen, I'm bringing you another big one. Now, their auto loans are amazing.
Yeah.
So they finance new and used cars, okay? The
Right.
APR is about 6.99% as of this video, okay?
Right.
And it goes up to 84 months. And guess what, money magnets? They finance up to 135% of what the value of the car is. That can be a cash flow changer right there.
Big time.
Rolls Royce money, Marvin. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
Let's do it.
And the wonderful thing about it, money magnets, is you can get approved for this within 90 seconds.
Right.
That's what I'm talking about, Marv.
Right. Okay, Gloria, the other loans that they have is a first-time parent loan assist. So if you're helping your child going off to college buy their first car, they have a loan for that where you probably can co-sign with them. Also, they got a lease buyout, cash out. So if you're trying to cash out of your lease, they can help you with that. This is a lot when it comes to cars.
Most definitely, because we did not co-sign for our kids a car.
Right.
So we know about this. So think about that, money magnets. If you have some high school kids or, you know, you want to give them a good jump start to life when they're first starting out. Yeah,
add them to your credit cards as authorized user so that you start their cards when they're really young. We started our kids when they're like 12 or 13. We added them to our credit cards. That helps them when they get 18 years old to be able to get their own loans.
Most definitely.
Now let's jump into the mortgage loans, Gloria.
Okay, so now when we're talking about home loans, they have conforming home loans, non-conforming home loans, and they have home equity lines of credit, okay?
Yes.
So I really like that this particular credit union has a wide vast of products for you. So you can't, don't sleep on them, okay? That's all I'm gonna say.
Yep, and they got 15-year loans, 30-year loans. And guys, keep this in mind. They also have a business side. If you guys want us to make a video on the business side, drop it in the comments and let us know. We'll keep that in mind and review the business side and do one of those. Also, share this with your church. They have ministry loans. So if you got a church that's trying to buy a building, refinance, or remodel the church, please, guys, share this video. I think it'll help out a lot. So, Gloria, let's give them a quick recap on how they join and what bureau they pull.
Okay, money magnets. Anyone can join this credit union. They pull Experian, and your pool is good for 30 days, so you can get multiple products with it.
Yeah, that way, if you wanted to get a car loan or a credit card or a personal loan, you can get all of this with one inquiry. Matter of fact, when I called today, they said you can apply as you join. So that was the cool part. And keep in mind, with your Experian, I would have a 700 credit score if I was going to apply. Also, I would have less than 3 inquiries on my Experian. And make sure you have not opened a lot of bank accounts in the last 6 months because we've seen some denials. When I called, they also explained to me that you may have to have some income docs. So be prepared to have pay stubs when you're going to apply.
Yes, because that's very important. Keep in mind, money magnets, banks and credit unions are starting to check your documents. You know what I'm saying? Because they want to make sure that it's you. They want to make sure that you have income coming in. So just start having that paperwork together when you're looking at these different credit unions.
And remember, when you're getting these really high limits, guys, start a side hustle. Start making more money because things are getting more expensive and you want to have a side hustle with these large limits. We're not saying go out and blow money. We're saying go out and make some more money with these large limits.
Hold up. I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, money magnets. If you want another credit union that has $50,000 limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.